welcome back to Miss Just channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how to get clear skin through Korean skincare routine, step by step. Now, before jumping right into the video, I want to tell you how I fell in love with this particular routine. Flawless skin as a teenager, no pimples, no acne, no bumps, just non-textured skin. It was flawless, to be honest. And I remember my best friend back in the day told me that I was an alien because at my age others were dealing with cystic acne and all stuff, and I was just, having the best time of my life with my flawless skin. But that completely changed when I entered into college. Okay, when I entered into college, I think it towards my last year, I started suddenly liking makeup. I used to buy makeup products like Maybelline ka eyeshadow, then Lakme ka eyeliner, various kind of lipsticks. Papa mujhe pocket money dete the, and I used to save it, and then I used to buy certain stuff. Okay, and I think because of using foundation, loose finishing powders, kajals, lipsticks, my skin broke out. Uske baad mera skin ka problem start ho gaya, like I used to break out very often. But my first encounter to Korean skincare routine was when I was in Chennai. तो हम लोग के होटल के पास में एक convenience store था, okay? And I used to love that store. और एक दिन मैं वहाँ पे कुछ खरीद रही थी. I think मैं कुछ groceries खरीद रही थी. तो मुझे वहाँ पे वो पैकेट दिखा, face mask शीट का पैकेट दिखा, एंड आई थॉट कि इसे लगाते कैसे, इसे यूज कैसे करते हैं. आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया बिकॉज बैक इन द डे आई डोंट यूज टू वॉच यूट्यूब एज मच एज आई डू नाउ, बट आई परचेज इट, एंड देन व्हेन आई केम बैक टू होटल आई डिड सम रिसर्च on the YouTube and the Google, and then I came to know about the Korean skincare routine. So this is how I fell in love with Korean skincare routine. So kahani ka time khatam, and now coming back to the process of showing you how it is done. I want to give you a little disclaimer before that. That is, for this Korean skincare routine, the products that you use does not necessarily need to be Korean products. Okay. Second disclaimer is that this routine might not suit everyone. Third disclaimer is that you need to analyze before using any product or going through this process of Korean skincare routine, because it's quite lengthy and it takes time, but it is very good for your skin. Let me tell you that, because after I followed this routine, my skin became really better. So the first ever step in this routine is the oil cleanser. So I personally love to use the Plum E Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. So this is an oil cleanser, but it's in the formula of a balm. It smells really good. It smells like a baby's diaper. If you love the smell of diaper, you're gonna love this balm. Okay, so what you need to do is take a scoop of it, place it between your fingers, rub between your fingers, and then gently apply to your skin and massage your face with it. This balm is very supple and is not harsh, so it's not gonna make your skin feel very dry. It's quite moisturizing, to be honest. After you have massaged your face really well, clean it with a warm water, and remember not to use cold water or hot water. You just need to have warm water. Also, this one is very gentle, so some oils are very tacky and oily, but this one just is very supple, you know what I mean to say, and it just goes away like a milk when you apply warm water. So I recommend you this product very much. So the important question is, why an oil cleanser when you can use just any other face wash or micellar water? Now, oil cleanser really deep cleanses your skin. When you apply and massage it onto your skin, it really cleanses your face, getting away all the makeup. It dissolves your makeup really well. Also, it doesn't make your skin feel dry. I feel like that oil cleanser is a better option than a micellar water. The second product is a face wash. So I use Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. Now again, you can use any kind of face wash. Maybe it can be gel, it can be water based, or it can be foam based. So you might ask me, why a face wash after you have used an oil cleanser? We use a face wash because the earlier oil cleanser that we use doesn't stay on our face. Okay. Also, this face wash has chote beads in it, which you doesn't even feel it. So yeah, this is a gel based cleanser. If you're an oily skin type, then I recommend you this product. Please purchase it, and you can see the difference yourself. The third step is an exfoliator. and I like to use the Innisfree Green Barley Gommage Peeling Mask. So exfoliators are not supposed to be used every day. It is supposed to be used, if you're dry skin type, then you can use once a week, or if you're oily skin type, you can use twice a week. So I use it twice a week. So again, why an exfoliator when we have already used an oil cleanser and a face wash? So why we need an exfoliator is because it deep cleanses your face. Sometimes what happen is कोई भी oil cleanser हो वो आपका pores clog कर देता है, so it clog your pores, okay? But when you exfoliate your skin well, then the exfoliator helps to unclog your pores and boost your circulation, blood circulation on the skin. Also, I have seen a difference after using exfoliators that I don't get acne as such. I used to get back then when I just started using makeup. And this Innisfree peeling mask is made of vinegar with fermented green barley from Jeju Island, and I personally really love it. So this is a kind of mask that you apply it on your face. You can leave it for at least 5 minutes. Then when you scrub or massage your skin like this, then it starts coming off. It seems like your skin is ripping off from your face, but it's just how the product is made. Cleansing process is done, and now it comes to nourishment or moisturization. So the 4th step is toner, 5th step is serum, and 6th step is the essence. People like to use the products separately. पहले toner use किया, फिर serum use किया, फिर essence use किया. But I like to use it. It's like a 3-in-1 for me, and for that I like to use the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. So this toner is very thick in consistency. So it is a toner, but it is also like an essence and also like a serum. And abhi garmi start ho gayi hai, so I recommend this to the oily skin type. Dry skin type ke liye thoda I think it's best to use serum and essence, but oily skin type you definitely have to give this bottle a try. Why toner, serum and essence? Question mark. Toner is needed because the harshness that your skin felt using the oil cleanser, the face wash, the exfoliator, doesn't matter how supple that was, how gentle that products were, your skin went through a little bit of harshness, okay? So to calm your face down, you need to use a toner. For serum, I would like to say it as it smoothens your skin a lot. I have seen the difference in myself. And essence is like a hydration to your skin. You get a hydration boost automatically to your skin after using essence. For me, I think essence and serum are really similar. Just serum is a thick consistency, while essence is a little water-based in texture. So the 7th step for me is a face sheet mask, my most favorite out of all. You can use a sheet mask basically once a week or twice a week. I use sometimes twice a week just because it looks very fancy. This is the Tony Moly Green Tea Mask Sheet Skin Soothing. I personally love Tony Moly because the sheet that you get in this particular brand is a thick in texture, okay? So sheet masks are basically serum only. So if you use a serum, then you might exclude this one, but I really like to use it, so I use it. So I think maximum of you already know what green tea does it. For those of you who don't know, green tea is really good for your skin and your health. For your health, it helps in preventing cancer, and for your skin it really helps in reducing the premature aging that women get. So it is advised to not keep a sheet mask more than 10 to 15 minutes, because if you keep the sheet mask for a long time on your face, it's just gonna suck up your hydration that it gave you, okay? So make sure you keep it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. 8th step for me is moisturization, okay? So I use the Himalaya Nourishing Skin Cream, light and non-greasy. So why a moisturizer is needed after using so many products? So you can basically skip this step if you don't like. If you think बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है तुम्हारे skin के लिए, तो you can skip it, but I really like it because it deeply nourishes your skin, okay? Moisturizing and nourishing are different terms, so you need to understand what this both means. Mostly moisturizer is important because it helps you to stay young, it's kind of like gifting you youthful days. and it also helps in preventing the wrinkles and fine lines on your face. Also, if you use the right balanced kind of moisturizer onto your skin, it really helps to prevent the acne that you might get in the future. The last step in this routine for me is a lip balm. Now I use lip balm every day. It's not like a routine, but if it's a day, then you have to use a sunscreen because it is very important. Don't go without using sunscreen. And since it is night, I'm gonna use a lip balm. So this is the Nivea Original Care Lip. It smells really good. It smells like the Nivea cream itself. I really like it. It deeply nourishes my lips. So I think I have showed you the steps that I usually follow when I go through very much skin breakouts. So this product really helps me out. The product might change depending on the weather, depending on the season, but mostly it is the same, and I really like to follow this religiously, this Korean skincare routine, because I have seen a difference in my skin after following this regime. Those of you who haven't tried this particular regime, I recommend you to try it. पहले देख लो कि आपके फेस पे वो सूट करता है कि नहीं प्रोडक्ट्स. You don't need to exactly use the products that I have used. Any drugstore product can be, substitute for the products that I have used. If you follow this particular regime, then comment down below आपको कैसा लगा यूज करके. Personally, I feel very fresh after doing this particular regime, especially when I do it in a night time. I wake up feeling fresh. I see the difference that my skin is nourished, moisturized and well hydrated. And so yeah, that is it for today, and I hope you have liked this video. अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो like करना मत भूलिएगा, and I hope you support me by subscribing to my channel, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.